Anyone notice that Zcash has pumped almost 800% in basically the last 2 months? It really started pumping here on the 1st of September. So for the last 56 days, up 800%. What's actually causing Zcash to pump? And also Monero XMR is pumping too. Is there a connection between these two and also Bitcoin's incoming top? Yeah, there is for sure. Before I get into it, what's up? My name is Aaron Disher from The Better Trader, and you are watching Coin Bureau Trading. Slam that subscribe button, literally punch your computer so that way you have to buy a new one because you are so emphatically slamming and squishing and piercing the subscribe button. Let's just do this. It's ridiculous, Aaron. Stop it. Guys, the real reason why this is pumping is not because of the tech. It is. It's not because there's all like this amazing new thing that's happening with Zcash that's on the roadmap. Nothing's really changed. Yeah, they have some cool stuff happening with the wallet or sure, whatever. There's some integrations and You guys, all you have to do is just zoom out on the monthly and identify the last several times that we saw Zcash pump. The previous time we saw it pump this high to this exact level was over here in May 2021. And after that, a short little spurt right over here in November 2021. When is the last time it really rallied like this? January 2018. Now, okay, I'm going to give this chart the benefit of the doubt to say, well, of course, a rising tide lifts all ships. Why would Zcash be any different compared to Ethereum or XRP or Doge, right? Well, I just find it kind of funny and kind of interesting seeing not just Zcash, but also XMR pumping here, back over here in May 2021, which by all accounts was the market top, and also over here, December 2017. Now, it's weird to me that both of these just happen to coincidentally be privacy coins. And when we know that BTC is working its way up to a new all-time high, all of a sudden, magically, these privacy-based coins are pumping like gangbusters. What an appropriate analogy to use for that, too. Guys, it's literally as simple as what it does. Both Zcash and Monero XMR, these are privacy-focused coins. Now, I am not going to show you how to use the protocol. I'm not going to go over all the details, all the fancy stuff, because this is the Coin Bureau Trading channel. We're talking about price action. The main thing you need to know right now is that both of these are privacy-based coins. If you haven't put 2 and 2 together yet, don't worry. I got you. But in a second, because I need you to go to the description down below, check out the links to sign up for Femex, for BYD5, for 2bit. These are all fantastic exchanges that have some massive bonuses that you can take advantage of by using the links provided down below. Plus, there are more deals available to you on the Coin Bureau website. Click on the deals button, check out the Coin Bureau Club. It's the best place to start to get a ton of actionable crypto-based information and also financial information shared by Dan, my co-host on this channel, as well as Guy and Nick on the main channels. Plus, there's also a 10% off discount for my course at The Better Traders, 15 Minutes to Financial Freedom. Now, again, for all of you that are a little bit slow, it's okay. The main reason why Zcash is pumping right now, you can say all you want that there's a new mainnet, there's a new fork, there's a new this, that, or the other. This chart pumps at the end of every single market cycle. So the fact that this month it's up 345%, it should tell you something. Also, the fact that this chart is not impervious to bear markets. January 2018, down over here, and we'll say this is the real bear market, bottom November, it fell 97%. Over here, May, and then we see it fall down. Well, technically, we're going to say that it was, December-ish, 2023, but really it fell even lower here in July, 95%. If this happens to be the top, and we see 97, 95. So let's be kind and say 93%. That means Zcash down to $23. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean that it should be going down right away immediately. There are no signs that are saying, oh, it's going to go down right away. But you guys have to admit, it's a very interesting coincidence, is it not, that a privacy-based coin is pumping And the Bitcoin bull market is very much near the end, in my opinion. Again, nothing has really changed. I am filming this in advance. This is Tuesday, Japan time. So prices will have changed by the time you guys see this video. So before we get all those comments of people that are confused. Now, the other thing you have to know, there are some really bullish setups that are happening though. I mean, if I were to technically want to chart this, this is an insane rising wedge here. If we're going to take this low to this low, which is kind of cheating because that's a scam wick. So let's take this guy, this low, even to this one right here. It actually works really well. But let's just do this. I mean, this is a clear ascending wedge. So I can see why people would be bullish on XMR breaking out to the top side and going up to $1 gajillion. But here's the thing. Even if the charts look incredible, even if you think that Zcash is going to go up to $1,000, which is possible, it really is, what are these two used for? Primarily, they're used for making sure that your funds stay private, kind of like Tornado Cash. So again, how do you activate the privacy features on Zcash or Monero XMR? You have to buy the coins. So I am not saying or encouraging you to do this at all, because you should pay your taxes if you live in a jurisdiction where you have to pay your taxes. You should report what you've earned. It's part of the deal of being a trader. This is the cost of being someone who is making money trading. Don't laugh out loud that much. That tells me way too much. Now, even though the prices of these coins could very well go up a lot higher, please understand that this is a very, very, very clear top signal, in my opinion. Things may change by the time that you guys see this video based off of when I'm filming it. There could be a bigger pump for Zcash and Monero. There could be a bigger dump. I don't know. But let's be real for a minute. There's no mystery as to why these two charts are pumping. And I'm 100% open to all the comments from people that are supporting Zcash and XMR. I actually think privacy is a good thing, but we have to be real and own up to the fact that both of these coins tend to pump in correlation with a BTC market top. I'm really curious to hear your thoughts about this, and I really am curious to see what you guys think about my bear market prediction. And again, I mean, this all ties together. Everything is tying up so well right now. It's just a pretty little pink bow. Watch this video next. Until the next time, you know what to do. Stay awesome and stay in the green. Peace.